Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox teleport failed. First, let's start with some essential initial checks. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong, ideally with a download speed of at least 5 megabits per second. Next, confirm that Roblox servers are not experiencing any outages by visiting their official status page. Finally, a simple restart of both your Roblox application and your computer can often resolve temporary glitches, clearing up any minor software conflicts. If the initial checks don't work, let's dive into network and firewall solutions. Temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software can help determine if they are blocking Roblox's connection. You can also try flushing your DNS cache and resetting your network settings through your computer's command prompt. For a more stable connection, especially if you're experiencing frequent disconnections, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, which provides a more reliable data transfer. Next, we'll focus on the Roblox client itself and its game files. Clearing your Roblox cache and temporary internet files can remove corrupted data that might be causing the issue. A complete reinstallation of the Roblox player is often the most effective solution, ensuring all game files are fresh and uncorrupted. Always make sure your Roblox application is updated to the latest version, as outdated clients can lead to compatibility problems and teleport failures. For persistent issues, we move to more advanced troubleshooting. You might consider adjusting your router's port forwarding settings to ensure Roblox has open access, typically using UDP ports 49,152 to 65,535. Sometimes, using a virtual private network can bypass local network restrictions. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem and contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.